Namaste everyone, I'm Monalisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a really cute summer haul with you all. I found this really cool brand called Virgio, and guys, I am literally amazed by the pieces, how soft they are, how breathable and airy they are. So let's see what all I got. The first one is this really cute bustier crop top. Now this has this gorgeous little puff sleeves which I absolutely love. I love the neckline. It has a sweetheart neckline with this sort of lace detailing going on. Even the sleeves are extremely stretchable, so it's amazing. It's very comfortable. This product is made of 100% cotton, which is so good because Delhi is literally going to be like a heat lava right now, and we need outfits like these. This will cost you around 1290 rupees on the website, and I think you can honestly style this in so many different ways because it is a crop top and it is absolutely modest. I want to wear this with a white skirt just for a day out with my friends, and guys, you won't believe it, I like this so much that I actually ordered another one in a different print. I'm just going to show you that. So this is how the crop top looks like. I know, same but different. I absolutely love the print. It actually takes you to Daisyland. And you know, Virgio does this very intelligent thing that they've done is this is the tag over here. You can just scan this QR on the Google app and you will be taken to the website with all the details of this clothing piece, which is so innovative. I'm honestly a fan of this brand right now. Again, it is made of 100% cotton. It has this bustier pattern, and I didn't tell you, on this top we have this sort of, you know, zip detailing over here. You can just open it and get into the top. Really like the elasticated sleeves to it, and I think it will look amazing with, again, white skirts or even with your saris too. And this is absolutely modest, guys. You do not have to worry about a lot of skin show as well. And this one is again at the same price, 1290 rupees. Oh, now I have this white number. I mean, of course, you guys know that I love my whites in summers as well as in winters. So I ordered this Sheafly dress. This is a knee length dress. It is a soft cotton, so breathable. Oh my god, I'm just so in love with this one. It has this belt detailing as well, and it is a button down shirt dress. Love the mandarin collar. It just looks so modest and beautiful at the same time. I think I would pair when I'm going out with my friends for just a brunch or maybe like a picnic. These white dresses are so easy to style. They are absolutely versatile pieces to have, and I would like to pair this with a white bag as well as a white sneaker, and I think I would be good to go because it is super modest and it looks so cute. Before I move on to the next dress, I'll quickly tell you this one is priced at 2490 on the website, and with this coupon code right over here you can get extra discount on all these pieces. Now the next dress I have is this cute little beige number. Now this one is this gorgeous embroidered dress on Nikah slub, and the color of the embroidery is so beautiful, guys. I love the yellows and the greens and the reds all over the dress. I think it looks very vacation appropriate. Now this has a tire detailing right over here on the waistline, which is great because, you know, it gets very easy to wear throughout the day whenever you are out on a vacation. I love the fact that this mini dress has these adjustable straps, which is very convenient for me, and I cannot wait to wear this for my next vacation. And this one right here is again a very nice, you know, soft cotton material, and this is priced at 2490 on the website. Alright guys, so of course I told you, like, I cannot do my hauls without a pink number, so I got this very cute bodycon corsage dress. Now this product is 98% cotton and 2% elastin, obviously because we have to get inside this bodycon dress. We need some elasticity to get into the dress. Now this has this chain detailing on the back. I love the stitching. It's so beautifully done, and again the noodle straps right over here are adjustable, and I love the sleeve detailing. You can take out these detachable sleeves, which is so cool. Like you can honestly use it in so many different tops. Not just this dress, which is really, really nice. Very versatile piece to have in your closet. And this dress is actually called the Shania on the website, which is so cool. I think I can also be a Shania someday. You never know, right? Such a fancy term to this dress. I really, really get it why. And yeah, I told you that it has these detachable straps, detachable sleeves, and they also gave this elastic on the sleeve, which is great because it will just stay here throughout your day. And this mini bright pink number is at 2840 rupees on the website, and I love how this looks so bright on my skin tone. So that is it for the summer haul video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.